Today, we're taking you into a world where vehicles are no longer just machines for travel, but symbols of power, wealth, and absolute dominance. These are not ordinary motorhomes. These are rolling royal palaces, built for people who don't just move across countries, they carry their kingdoms with them. Imagine driving on a quiet highway when suddenly, in your rearview mirror, a massive, futuristic motorhome begins to approach. Its size alone commands respect. You slow down without thinking. Your eyes stay locked on it as it passes, and in that moment, one thought takes over. Who on earth owns something like this? The motorhomes we're talking about today are so rare that only a handful of individuals on the planet own them. While billionaires around the world were buying hypercars, private jets, and super yachts, a few elite families invested in something even more exclusive: motorhomes that don't cost millions, but tens of millions of dollars. At number 3 on this list sits what is shockingly considered the most affordable of these ultra-luxury motorhomes. And yet, affordable here exists in a completely different universe. This rolling fortress belongs to Saudi Arabia's crown prince, Mohammed bin Salman, a man whose influence stretches far beyond borders, whose wealth is often described as limitless. You might expect someone with that level of power to own the most expensive motorhome on Earth, but here's where the story takes a surprising turn. Even Mohammed bin Salman doesn't hold the top spot. 2 motorhomes in the world are so outrageously luxurious, so rare, and so expensive that his fades into 3rd place. That moment alone tells you something important. Even in the world of extreme wealth, there are levels that only a few can reach. This motorhome is not built by a conventional manufacturer. It's designed by a brand associated with perfection, exclusivity, and engineering obsession, a name that speaks for itself the moment you hear it. With a reported value exceeding $50 million, this machine isn't about price, it's about power. Inside, it feels less like a vehicle and more like a self-contained universe. Advanced security systems, independent power supply, military-grade air filtration, and reinforced structural design transform this motorhome into a moving safe zone. In extreme scenarios, it's designed to protect its occupants from threats most people never even imagine. This isn't transportation, it's survival wrapped in luxury. Some people buy vehicles to travel. Others buy vehicles that become sovereign territory on wheels. Now we move to the second most expensive motorhome on the planet, owned by Dubai's crown prince, Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed Al Maktoum. This isn't just luxury, it's freedom at its highest form. When this motorhome enters the highway, it doesn't just turn heads, it stops time. Step inside, and you're no longer on a road. You're inside a palace. Expansive living areas, private suites, high-end bathrooms, exclusive lounges, and custom interiors designed without compromise. Everything inside reflects royal standards, nothing less. This motorhome is built for complete independence, total privacy, advanced surveillance systems, a design that allows its owner to disappear from the world without sacrificing comfort. Park it in the middle of nowhere, and life inside continues exactly as planned. For Sheikh Hamdan, this motorhome isn't about showing wealth. It's about control over space and time, the ability to live on his own terms wherever he chooses. That's why this vehicle is often described as a moving fortress, a luxury stronghold on wheels. But the final story takes a different direction. Not everyone with immense wealth chooses to display it. Jemima Khan is someone who could easily afford not just one, but dozens of the world's most expensive motorhomes. Yet she chooses a completely different path. A British producer, writer, journalist, and humanitarian, she represents a rare kind of power, the power of restraint. Instead of investing in rolling palaces, she invests in storytelling, social causes, and human rights. While many use wealth to amplify noise, she uses it to amplify voices. Her luxury isn't gold-plated vehicles or massive convoys. Her luxury is independence, purpose, and impact. Because some people are owned by their money, and some people remain free, no matter how much they have.